Hello, hello. It looks like rain season came to Bali in the middle of September, which is really early actually, because usually rain starts in November, December, but everything is changed. Not only with all this pandemic, but anything is changed. So we decided to come to a place I never been before, and in a minute you will see amazing monument which is called Garuda, and I took a drone with me, so it's gonna be very incredible. I'm gonna fly around it, and that's the place I want to show you today. We are out on a trip and it's the first stop of it. This place is called Garuda. If you've been in Bali, you've seen it from the airport. You can see it really far because it's on a hill, first of all, and it's 121 meters tall. Very massive, really impressive, and in the sun it looks simply amazing. Look at that. I got the problems with the drone. That didn't allow me to fly. In some point it didn't allow me to fly higher than 30 meters and 50 meters distance. In some point I changed the frequencies and I was able to a little bit fly around, but I didn't get the shots of what I really was planning. Anyways, I got something. One of the stops done. All the Garuda Park is closed and you cannot get in there, but the territory is super huge. Tonya, she knows already, she been already one time here, so she showed us another like a small road, and you can get to Garuda really close. Next stop, Melasti beach, really popular tourism attraction. It was before. At the moment probably it's pretty empty there. Apa kabar?
Baik. Apa kabar?
Baik-baik.
Taruh, baik.
Ya. This one is our second stop, Melasti beach. There are, as you already know from my videos, there are many Melasti beaches in every single village, or every single, I don't know, it's not every single village, but in every single place we have Melasti beaches. It's all the ceremony beaches, ceremonial. Girls swimming, and I'm guarding the things, not from the humans, but there are some monkeys, and then it's better to leave someone who can bark and kick ass if needed. Nearly that, completely full. I don't know how many different types of meat we tried, but I don't know, around 10.
Beef, any kind of beef.
Yeah.
Different kind.
It's been a while since I was talking from the beach. Kind of time to talk, because I tried out this 2 times a week uploading videos, and you know, I'm feeling super uncomfortable, because it doesn't mean that it's too much for me. It actually means that it's not enough for me, just 2 videos a week. First of all, it became really messy. I'm collecting all this footage, and when I start putting it together, I don't even remember when it was. And then also all the people who've been diving with me, they actually also come like a kind of start asking me when the video will come out. Previously it was like, okay guys, check out my YouTube channel, tomorrow you will see yourself on my video. Well, now it's like, okay, someone did the diving, the one day is going for Saturday, another day is going for the Tuesday, so it's 4 days in the middle. It's like, what I'm trying to say, I think I'm gonna go back to the daily vlogging, not every single day. Saturdays, Sundays I will take out. Previously there was a problem, I was editing my videos even from the tent from Lahangan Suite, just because simply next day I have to upload some video. I have to prepare some videos in advance, and it's pretty hard actually. If you ever been editing videos, you understand me. Daily vlogging in this case is a problem. On the other side, it's actually better, because then you can deliver some message which just came into your mind. If you don't do it every day, and that's what I've been talking previously, you actually forget a lot of ideas, or you skip a lot of ideas, just because simply at that moment when you're making a video, it's not really important anymore. So 5 videos a week, Saturdays, Sundays, days off, and it will give you also the chance to see these previous episodes. Otherwise it's like a non-stopping process, and you started skipping a lot of videos just because simply you have no time for it. How does it feel for you, Laura, all this only 2 days video a week?
Actually, it doesn't affect me, but when I look at you, I see you are like lost, because you don't know what to do. Yeah, you have more time to maybe watch some video, some movies, find some another one information, but it's like you look from the side like you don't know what to do. Yeah, so maybe better to make videos more often, huh? How do you think?
Yeah, it really feels that it's I created a really strong habit, or really strong routine, and I think it's not the right time to finish it, right? We still need this, nothing is open.
Yeah.
If everything would be open, and I would be busy with another things,
Yeah.
really busy, then I would never feel it. But at the moment, because nothing happens and we still don't know when it will happen, there is a rumors about October, which we don't believe. We became really big skeptics in about any information which comes up. There've been information that they're opening Bali airport. Well, finally, it's not true.
Yes.
Right, so there've been only speculations about all this stuff. Yeah, I think if I would be busy with something as it was previously, I would never feel it. But now, yeah.
Maybe let's
So, yeah,
make more often videos.
Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go back for 5 days a week, Monday to Friday.
Yeah.
Like episodes like I did before, maybe a little bit more. I don't know, definitely we'll find something to show you about.
And I will try to make a more underwater videos.
Yeah, the underwater videos, sorry I've been uploading only one of them, but we have a lot of footage, so that also can be like an additional thing.
Thank you, Adriana, for your camera. Big thanks.
And thank you, Zhenya, for your drone. That really helps. It makes all this vlog and all these videos more colorful and more interesting for you. All right, Laura is going for the night dive.
Yeah, we will try to do something.
Yeah, Laura is going out with Tonya. They are going out on the house reef to get the new creatures for our colorful videos. All right, thank you very much for watching.
Full of subscribe.
And see you on the next video again. Bye. All this talk happened because since a couple of weeks I'm waking up every morning and feeling absolutely useless. There's no any more point for me to go out somewhere because simply I don't need any videos. That was a big motivation for me to move. And now it's like, come on.